Hey fellas, this right here is the Mac Studio M1 Max. Okay, this was a bad idea. I'm gonna just come over there. Okay, it has been a month since I bought the Mac Studio M1 Max. 1 month, exactly 1 month. Here's the video somewhere. The flag's gonna pop up when I unboxed it, when I jacked it in and started using it, and told my thoughts on day one about it. This is a month later. What do you think about it? What do I think about it a month later? Well, is it disappointing? I don't know. It isn't disappointing, for me at least. So, and here's why. I'm just gonna tell you, here's why. Well, first of all, let's go through the cons, because, well, I just said that I'm just gonna tell you why I am not disappointed, but well, let's go through the cons. Here is one con right here. I am an old PC user, and well, I have external space, I have a lot of wires and things that I just jack onto the computer, and there are a lot of wires just hanging around, and I really don't like that. I didn't like that before, I don't like it now, and I still got a lot of wires, but I think that's just something that comes with a PC. Now the second thing is, I thought the rendering times were gonna be fast. Well, that isn't the case, at least with Premiere Pro. If you have some heavy motion graphics, art stuff in there, it's gonna take a long time for it to render it. But I did some research, and with Final Cut Pro, they cut down the rendering times about 80%. So go check out videos. I'm just gonna put a link here somewhere. I'm gonna put a link in the description, put a flag up here. I saw this video where they did comparisons on rendering with Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut, and Final Cut did 10-minute videos in 2 to 3 minutes when, well, Adobe did it, Premiere Pro did it, well, you know, just like I said, in 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And that is a lot of time to wait sometimes, but it's still more time to wait than I usually have. I can go do other stuff, and the computer can handle me editing photos at the same time. It can handle me gaming. Don't judge me. I started playing World of Warcraft with this. it goes pretty fine. And it doesn't matter. It can render, it can do stuff at the background, and I can just go and play or do whatever I want. So there's that. Now, should you get a Mac Studio M1 Max? Well, like I said, I'm doing this for YouTube videos. I'm doing it for photography. I'm using it. I'm using it for YouTube videos. I'm using it for photography, editing photos. And the standpoint where I'm coming from is, I owned a Lenovo Idea Center that was small, that was compact, but it sucked like hell. And in the end, it started going to the way that I had to, after update after update of software updates, I had to start rendering with only software, because I guess it's the CPU, GPU, either way, couldn't handle it anymore. And the render times were hours, not minutes, hours. So where I'm coming from, where if you're coming from at the same place and you got the money to buy it, hell yeah, you should buy it. But I think you can handle it with probably a Mac Mini too. It does probably the same things. It'll get you there. It doesn't mean that you need a studio. God, my knees. Oh, I put on the stove. Oh. So it's gonna be like a chill breeze, you know, when you buy an M1 Max. I'm outside. It's fall. It's September. It's chilly. It's really light here. I forgot the ND filter back inside. But yeah, chilly. It's gonna feel like a chill breeze. It's gonna feel like something new. Just like September after a hot summer, I guess. Studio lighting is fun. I find it fun. But yeah, that's about it. That is my after a month review. I think I can do a lot of things with it for a beginner. I think, like, for a beginner Mac user, I mean, I'm not a beginner editor or anything, but who am I kidding? What can I say about it? What can I say more about it? If you are a newcomer to the business, if you are a newcomer for using Macs, it is exceptional. I like it. I like using it. I like the fact that it has all the possibilities of me doing a lot of things at the same time. I can render a video, I can do photos, I can play games or a game. I'm not using it as a gaming PC, but I can still play one game with it while it is rendering videos, exporting them. So M1 Max is a perfectly good computer for editing if you are doing YouTube videos and you're a photographer. In this case, like I said in my latest video concerning the studio, gear matters. This is the standpoint where gear matters. You want to do it quickly, you want to do it perfectly, you want to do it in real time. Because thinking about my idea center, I had to export the video, see how it looked, then go back editing, because I couldn't do it in real time in the post editing because my computer couldn't handle it. Now it can. I can do 4K videos, just scrolling through them, just color grading them, adding in heavy Mogart and, you know, stuff, doing stuff. Like, I'm happy with it. 1 month after, I'm still happy with it. That's about it. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. I think this video was kind of different. I just threw everything out of the hat. I mean, like everything. Nothing was scripted, nothing. I just woke up like, I know, an hour ago. I've been editing photos and now I just decided to do the 1 month later video, but this is all truthful what I'm saying, and you get it, you get the point, don't you? You gotta be truthful sometimes to yourself and the viewers. Hope you liked it, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you, I don't know, respect it.